show you a side of Legoland that a lot of people just skip out on, but you shouldn't. This is Cypress Gardens here. Let's take a look around. We heard some raccoons over here just a second ago. There's all kinds of wildlife back here. So we're gonna take a stroll and see what we see. There's statues, there's bridges, it's just very beautiful back in here.
Beautiful.
Wow. Check this place out back in here. We're about to head into the jungle. Wow. Oh, wow. Yep. We may not take the boat ride today because canceled due to rain. Correction, here's the cut of the boat ride. This goes right through the middle of Cypress Gardens. I'll show you a little clip right here.
That's a lot of birds sleeping. Oh, there's birds sleeping? I don't think the flamingo fits in. The pelican does? Flamingo, you think flamingo. I know, I said the pelican does.
That boat ride was really fun. But Cypress Gardens is a little part that, like I said, nobody's here. We have not seen a single person back here, and it's all included. It's all included with your admission to Legoland. There's the boats that I showed you a while ago, the docks. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff here from Cypress Gardens. There are statues. There's lots of birds and raccoons and all kinds of critters back in here. There's a lot of dead ends too. I mean, they're fine, they're shady, they don't go anywhere, but man, it's cool to walk around back here. There's a lot of different bridges you can cross over here. We're gonna take a walk across this bridge here. There's an alligator down there, although it's made out of Legos, so I don't think it's gonna bite you. Isn't that pretty?
This amazing tree is a banyan tree. It has been here since 1936. It was brought here and given to Cypress Gardens by Dick and Julia Pope in 1936. So it's not even that old because they lived for many, many years. It is a type of fig native to India. All of these roots you see coming down from the limbs are like air roots, and then they eventually become supports for all of the massive heavy limbs for this banyan tree.
Raccoons.
Snakes. We've seen snakes, alligators, raccoons, birds of all kinds. And here's Nana's banyan tree that she loves so much. Butterflies, wow. This is so nice. And the plants, you can smell the different plants and different aromas back here and all kinds of stuff. It is so nice back here. garden, you might run into this man. There's Jesus. It ain't Gethsemane, but it's close. Isn't this beautiful?
So it's only like 70 years old.
Wow.
67 years. It came in a
You'd think.
5-gallon pot. They rolled it out here in a wheelbarrow and planted it, and it's grown this much.
Wow.
I mean, it's amazing. St. Francis, patron saint of the birds. The kiss of the sun for pardon, the song of the birds for mirth. You are nearer God's heart in a garden than anywhere else on earth.
There's the historic gazebo we posted. We posted this in a short video. So if you want to know more about this historic gazebo, check out the short that we did on this, and make sure you do me a big, do us a huge favor. If this is your first time you're enjoying this, please hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notifications of our next video. We do a lot of cruise videos, a lot of travel videos.
Watch out, baby. And I told them probably around 4 hours.
Isn't this nice?